This faceless YouTube channel got over 10 million views in 1 month. The creator never shows their face, never speaks on camera, and the entire channel is stick figure animations with a voiceover. Their most viewed video is literally titled, "What Did Ancient Humans Do at Night?" and it pulled over 7 million views on its own. And the whole thing was put together using Claude for the scripts. I'm going to break down exactly how this channel works, step by step, so you can do the same thing. But I'm also going to show you the part that nobody else covering this channel is talking about, which is how you turn a channel like this into an actual business with affiliate revenue, instead of just hoping AdSense pays you enough to justify the work. Step 1. Come up with a strong idea. This is the step that determines whether your video gets 500 views or 5 million. And most people get it wrong before they even open their laptop. Look at Zen's top video. What did ancient humans do at night? That sounds like a random question on the surface, but every single person who reads that title has the same reaction. Wait, what did they actually do? They didn't have electricity, they didn't have phones, they didn't have anything to do after dark. And now there's a gap in your brain that you need to fill. And the only way to fill it is to click the video. That gap between what you know and what you want to know is what makes a video idea work. And the best way to find ideas like this is to use Claude with vidIQ connected, so you can see what topics are actually getting search volume and which ones have low competition. I made a video on how to do this, if you haven't seen it already. I've also put the vidIQ link to set this up in the description, so check that out while it's still free. Once you've set it up, you type in a niche into Claude, pull the outlier videos, look at what's working, and then use Claude to generate variations on those topics that hit the same curiosity trigger. The idea is the foundation. If the idea is boring, nothing else you do matters. So now you've got a strong idea, but a good title means nothing if your script puts people to sleep. And this is where most faceless channels go wrong, because they use AI to write scripts that sound like a textbook. Step 2, write the script. This is where Claude comes in, and specifically how you use it, because the default output from any AI tool is going to sound generic and flat unless you give it the right instructions. Here's what Zen's channel does well. The scripts feel like someone telling you a story at dinner, not reading a Wikipedia article out loud. The pacing builds tension before a reveal. The sentences vary in length, and there are hooks planted every 60 to 90 seconds that keep you watching. The way to replicate that is to find a video in your niche that's already performing well. Pull the transcript from YouTube using the 3 dots under the video, paste it into Claude, and give it a prompt that says something like this. What you get back is a script that already matches a proven format. Read it out loud before you record, because sentences that look fine on screen sometimes feel awkward when spoken. Change anything that doesn't flow naturally. All right, so you've got a strong idea and a script that sounds human, but none of that matters if your voiceover kills the work you've put in. And this is where a lot of faceless channels accidentally destroy their own videos. Step 3, create the voiceover. Most people default to using AI voice generators, and while those tools have gotten better, a lot of the default voices still sound like a GPS from a rental car. The second your viewer hears something that sounds robotic, the trust is gone and they click away. You've got 3 options here, and I'm ranking them from best to worst. Option 1 is using your own voice. A $30 USD mic from Amazon is all you need, and a real voice with natural imperfections will outperform a polished AI voice every single time because it sounds human. Option 2 is hiring a voiceover artist on Fiverr for $5 to $15 per video. Search for American male voiceover or documentary voiceover and listen to samples until you find someone who sounds natural. Option 3, if you really want to go the AI route, is cloning your own voice in 11 labs, so at least the AI version sounds like a real person and not a stock template that 500 other channels are also using. Now you've got the idea, the script, and the voice. The next step is the one that scares most people off, but it's also the one where you can save the most money if you're smart about it. Step 4, create the visuals. Zen's entire channel is animated stick figures, and it works because the format is low friction for the viewer. Your brain sees a simple animation and thinks, this will be easy to watch. And then 12 minutes later, you're still there because the story kept you hooked. Now, you could try to create these animations yourself using AI tools, But honestly, it's expensive, it's slow, and AI still struggles with consistency across a full video. The smarter move is to go to Fiverr, search Stickman Video Editing YouTube, set the budget filter to $20, and you'll find editors who already know this exact style and can turn your script into a finished video. When you start seeing results, you reinvest and move up to $40 or $50 for a better editor with cleaner work. That's how every faceless channel that actually scales does it. They're not editing their own videos. They're hiring out the production so they can focus on ideas, scripts, and the business side. One quick note on thumbnails. You can use Claude to describe a thumbnail concept for your title, and then paste that description into ChatGPT's image generator. It's surprisingly good at creating clean, clickable thumbnails that don't look like generic AI slop. Tweak it once or twice, and you're done. So at this point, you've got a finished video that's ready to upload. But here's the important part that nobody talks about enough, because uploading a video and hoping AdSense pays you is not a business. Step 5, monetize. This is the step that nobody else is teaching when they break down channels like Zen. They show you how to make the videos, but they don't show you how to make actual money beyond ads. And the truth is that AdSense on a channel like this, even one doing millions of views, might pay $3 to $5 per 1,000 views. That means 5 million views on Zen's top video earned roughly $15,000 to $25,000 from ads. That sounds great until you realize that most videos on the channel aren't getting 5 million views, and your income resets to zero every month because you need the next video to perform just as well. The way to turn this into a real business is to build affiliate revenue into every single video from the beginning. And the niche you pick determines how much affiliate money is available. A stick figure channel about ancient history has limited affiliate potential because there's no natural product to recommend. But a stick figure channel about personal finance, cybersecurity, productivity tools, or tech comparisons has affiliate programs behind every topic. A video called "What Happens to Your Money When a Bank Collapses?" done in stick figure animation with a link to a brokerage app or a gold dealer in the description is a video that earns from ads and from affiliate commissions at the same time. A video about the simplest way to protect your passwords, done in the same stick figure style, with NordPass or 1Password affiliate links, is the same concept. NordVPN pays up to 100% commission on the first sale and 30% recurring on every renewal. So a single video recommending a VPN can keep paying you month after month, long after you upload it. Productivity tools like Notion have affiliate programs that pay recurring commissions too. So if someone signs up through your link and stays subscribed, you're earning every month they remain a customer. You're taking the format that's proven to get millions of views and applying it to a niche where every viewer is a potential customer for something you can recommend. That's how you go from making one big AdSense check that might never repeat to building a stack of affiliate income that grows with every video you add to the library. Every tool and resource I mentioned in this video is linked in the description. And yes, some of those are affiliate links because that's literally the whole point of what I teach on this channel. Hit subscribe because I've got more breakdowns like this coming. And drop a comment telling me what niche you'd apply this stick figure format to. I'll tell you if there's affiliate money in it.